Welcome back to Money Ventures. We are glad you're here. Money is changing and fast. In this 5-part video series, we're cutting through the noise to break down the hottest personal finance topics shaping your wallet right now. From navigating economic uncertainty and building smarter savings habits to leveraging new tools, trends, and strategies to grow your money, each episode delivers clear, practical insights you can actually use. No guesswork. Just real talk about money, made simple and actionable. If you're ready to take control of your finances and stay ahead of what's next, this series is for you. Today's topic is ESG, environmental, social, and governance. Investing with impact is quickly becoming one of the hottest trends in personal finance. And today, we're diving into why more people than ever are choosing to align their money with their values. If you've ever wondered how to grow your wealth and make a positive difference at the same time, this video is for you. As the world becomes more aware of environmental issues, social justice, and ethical business practices, everyday investors are waking up to a simple idea. Your dollars are powerful. And when you invest them thoughtfully, they can influence companies, shape industries, and support causes you care about while also targeting strong financial returns. That's where ESG investing comes in. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance, and it's a framework that evaluates companies beyond just profits. Environmental factors look at how a company impacts the climate and natural resources. Social factors evaluate how companies treat employees, communities, and customers. Governance focuses on leadership ethics, board structure, transparency, and accountability. Together, these criteria help investors understand the long-term sustainability of a business, not just how it's doing today, but whether it's built to thrive responsibly in the future. Now, ESG investing has exploded in popularity because these standards give investors a clearer picture of which companies are truly committed to sustainability and responsible management. And the great news is that ESG and impact investing aren't just for wealthy investors anymore. ESG-focused funds, socially responsible ETFs, and even green bonds have become far more accessible, making it easy for beginners to start aligning their investments with their values. Green bonds, for example, allow investors to support specific environmentally friendly projects like renewable energy, clean transportation, or sustainable housing, while still receiving predictable returns. Meanwhile, ESG funds give you built-in diversification by pooling investments across companies that score well on environmental, social, and governance metrics. This makes it easier to participate in responsible investing without needing to analyze individual companies yourself. And because these funds are more widely available in major brokerage apps, retirement accounts, and robo-advisors, anyone can start investing with impact, even with just a small amount of money. But here's where many new investors make a mistake. They get so excited about doing good that they forget that investing still needs to make financial sense. Yes, aligning your investments with your values is great, but you shouldn't neglect traditional metrics like performance history, fees, diversification, risk level, and long-term potential. ESG funds are not automatically better or safer just because they're responsible. They're investments. And like all investments, they need to deliver returns that help you build wealth over time. So before you invest in any ESG fund or green bond, take a moment to look at the fund's expense ratio, compare it to similar options, check volatility, evaluate returns over different time periods, and consider whether it fits your personal financial goals. You want impact and solid performance, and you can absolutely have both if you take a balanced, informed approach. One of the smartest ways to invest with impact is to use a blended strategy. Choose ESG funds that align with your values, but also hold a portion of your portfolio in traditional index funds or broad market ETFs. This provides stability, reduces risk, and ensures your investments are diversified across sectors, including those that may not meet ESG criteria but still deliver strong long-term gains. Think of ESG investing as adding another layer of purpose to your portfolio, not replacing sound financial principles. And if you want to take your impact even further, look into shareholder advocacy. Many ESG funds use their voting power to push companies toward better environmental practices or more transparency. That means when you invest, you're not just hoping for change, you're helping create it. So, why is this trend growing so fast? Because people want to feel like their money matters. They want their investments to reflect their beliefs, whether that's protecting the planet, supporting fair labor, promoting diversity, or encouraging ethical leadership. Impact investing allows you to grow wealth with intention. And in a time when inflation, economic uncertainty, and global challenges are top of mind, more investors are realizing that long term sustainability isn't just good ethics, it's good business. Companies that manage environmental risks, treat employees well, and operate transparently often perform better over the long run. So, aligning your values with your investments isn't just a feel good strategy, it may support strong financial outcomes too. Before we wrap up, here's a smart tip. If you're interested in ESG investing, start by looking at ESG focused funds, but don't stop there. Dig deeper. Compare funds, analyze performance, check ratings from organizations like Morningstar Sustainalytics, and make sure the fund isn't engaging in greenwashing, which is when a company markets itself as environmentally friendly without real action behind it. And always evaluate a fund the same way you would any other investment by looking at long-term performance, cost, diversification, and how it fits into your overall financial plan. Remember, the goal is impact and growth. With the right strategy, you can invest for a better world while also building a better financial future for yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more trending personal finance topics. See you in the next video.